Hello, I am Mrs. Vaishali Samant. I invite you all to Saraswati Tutorials. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe those videos. Next topic from 3D is section formula. First one is internal division. Let R x bar y bar z bar divides a x1 y1 z1 b x2 y2 z2 internally in the ratio m:1. Means this upon this is m upon n. It is that doesn't mean this is m and this is n. After cancelling what you get, it is ratio. So this is m:n. So instead of last year you must have remember formula like this in 2D. But what I feel, instead of remembering, if you derive, it will be easy, because to remember formula and then substitute, it will take time. So I'll write points in order A, B, M and N. Whenever I am finding x coordinate, I will cross multiply with x coordinate divided by this plus this. For y coordinate, I will cross multiply with y coordinate and divide by this plus this. Similarly for z. So R will be nx1 plus mx2 divided by m plus n. ny1 plus my2 divided by m plus n. nz1 plus mz2 divided by m plus n. Now next one is external division formula. Nobody will ask you how to derive this. You should remember problems. Sure, problem will be there based on section formula. External division. Let R divides AB externally in the ratio m:1. So AB is this, R is outside, external. So one is in positive direction, other will be negative direction. So if R is here, M would have been negative, N would have been positive. So any one of them you put negative. Don't substitute both negative, you will get again original. So in this formula, you replace N by minus N. So R will be mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n. my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. You are adding these two, no? mz2 minus nz1 divided by m minus n. Now if R is the midpoint of AB, then here m will be equals to n, and n if you will take common, here it will be 2n, n cancels, and you will get here R will be x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2, z1 minus z1 plus z2 upon 2. It is exactly same as 2D, but in 2D only x and y are there. In addition, one z coordinate is also there. Centroid of a triangle ABC. So this is ax1 y1 z1, bx2 y2 z2, cx3 y3 z3. What is the meaning of centroid? If you will take midpoint of any side and if you will join this with third vertex, it is called as median. So where all these medians they meet, it is called as centroid. And usually this centroid divides this median in the ratio 2:1, where this is vertex and this is the opposite side. So we have to find out coordinates of G. So D is midpoint of BC. So D will be x2 plus x3 upon 2, y2 plus y3 upon 2, z2 plus z3 upon 2. Here AD is median. Center of a triangle is the point of intersection of all medians and denoted by G. And G divides AD in the ratio 2:1 internally. So AD, so A is here, D is here. AD, first A then D, and ratio is 2:1. So cross multiply x1 into 1 plus 2 into x2 plus x3 upon 2 divided by this plus this. Y coordinate will be this into this plus 2 into this divided by this plus this. Z coordinate will be z1 into 1 plus 2 into z2 plus z3 upon 2 here, upon 2 and divided by this plus this. 2 cancels, here also 2 cancels, here also 2 cancels, and you will get x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, and y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3, and z1 plus z2 plus z3 upon 3. This is the formula for centroid of a triangle. Now we will solve problem based on this. Now I'll take one example. The centroid of a triangle ABC is this. This is centroid. Where A and B is this, find C. So, centroid of a triangle formula is this. This formula you write better. You will get 1 mark for this. Let point C be ABC. So, this centroid 1 plus 1 comma 1 comma 1 centroid will be 3 minus 1 plus A. 3 minus 1 plus A upon 3. Minus 5 plus 7 plus B upon 3. And Z coordinate will be 7 minus 6 plus C upon 3. This is different from this. This is C. Different from this point C. This is name of that point. So when these coordinates are equal, first must be equal to this, second must be equal to this, third must be equal to this. So this will be 2 plus A upon 3 is equal to 1. 3 will come here, 2 you bring here, so A will be 1. Now 1 is equal to 2 plus B upon 3. So B is equal to 3 minus 2, it is 1. 1 is equal to 1 plus C upon 3. So C will be 2. So point C is 1, 1, 2. This is taken from one of the paper. So similar problems will be asked. They are very easy. You can score full marks here. Next problem is find the ratio in which the line segment A 4, 8, 10 and B 6, 10, minus 8 is divided by YZ plane. So this is A, this is B divided by YZ plane. We have to find out ratio. So suppose ratio is lambda is to 1. Don't take M is to N. So M is to N, you have to find out two unknowns. It will be difficult. So you take lambda is to 1. And it cuts YZ plane at R. And R divides AB in the ratio lambda is to 1. Suppose AB cuts YZ plane at R and R divides AB in the ratio lambda is to 1. So A you write point, B you write point, same A and B, lambda is to 1. So what will be R? R will be 4 plus 6 lambda upon lambda plus 1. 8 plus 10 lambda upon lambda plus 1. 10 into 1 plus minus 8 lambda upon lambda plus 1. Now here, but R lies on YZ plane. And you know on YZ plane X is missing. So X coordinate is 0 last time I told you. So X coordinate you equate to 0. Whenever any fraction is 0, numerator must be 0. So 6 lambda is equal to 4. And therefore lambda is equal to minus 2 by 3. Therefore YZ plane divides AB in the ratio 2 is to minus 3 or minus 2 is to 3. Anyone is correct. Further, if the coordinates of the point is R is asked, then here you put lambda is equal to minus 2 by 3. If you put lambda is equal to minus 2 by 3, of course you will get 0 here. If you substitute here lambda is equal to minus 2 by 3, simplify, you will get here 0, 4, 26. These will be the coordinates of R. You substitute value of lambda here. This problem is very important. Usually this type of problems are asked in the examination. Next problem is find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining point A, this one minus 2, 3 and B 3, 4, minus 5 in the ratio 2 is to 3 internally and externally. When the word externally is written, it means 1 is negative. Internal division 2 is to 3. So you write points 2 and 3 you write. By my method 3 plus 6 divided by 5. Another will be minus 6 plus 8 divided by 5. 9 minus 10 divided by 5. And simplify and write. I think till now you must have come to know that this method is very easy. So 9 by 5, 2 by 5, minus 1 by 5. For external division you write 1 negative. So here you write 1 negative. Now you cross multiply. Minus 3 plus 6 divided by 2 minus 3. Plus 6 plus 8 divided by 2 minus 3. Minus 9 minus 10 divided by 2 minus 3. This will become plus 3 upon minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 3, sorry, here it is. Plus 3 upon minus 1 is minus 3. This will become minus 14. This will become 19. This is negative, it will become positive. So this is 3. This is the answer. So next time I will solve some more problems. And mostly next time I will stop 3D and after that I will start statistics.